The Daylight Bright Light Therapy system from Uplift Technologies that is available for home use is the same system chosen by world-leading researchers. Light therapy mimics outdoor light and causes a biochemical change in your brain. A consistent daily dose of light can lift your mood, positively affect your circadian rhythm, stimulate your serotonin levels, and depress melatonin levels at the right time of the day.
You know, for years I definitely suffered from a lot of winter blues, a lot of, carb craving and whatnot, and it was quite evident that this was what I was suffering from. This is exactly what it is, and this is exactly what I need. And it was quite evident that that was the case.
Light therapy is the #1 scientifically tested and proven method for treating seasonal affective disorder, or SAD, and is the first line of SAD treatment recommended by healthcare professionals.
The role of light therapy in the treatment of seasonal affective disorder has been well established. Light impacts our daily lives in many ways, and the potential of light therapy to treat a variety of conditions continues to grow. Studies on sleep disorders, premenstrual syndrome, and non-seasonal depression are some of the areas currently under study for light therapy. In addition, there are many people who don't have any disorder at all, but who nonetheless feel enlivened and energized by bright environmental light. Norman E. Rosenthal, MD.
The Center for Environmental Therapeutics, a non-profit organization dedicated to the development and application of effective environmental therapies, has established stringent guidelines for lightbox design. The Daylight meets every requirement, and it provides the user with the correct dose of light to ensure efficacious treatment.
I had my son in the summer of '99, and of course I went through the postpartum and whatnot then, and I thought, wow, this will definitely help me with this, and it absolutely did.
The Daylight has been tested successfully in peer-reviewed clinical trials, provides 10,000 lux of illumination at a comfortable sitting distance, has fluorescent lamps with a smooth diffusing screen that filters out ultraviolet rays, gives off white light rather than colored light, can be projected downward toward the eyes at a comfortable angle to minimize glare and maximize effectiveness, and is a large light box which allows users to move their heads naturally as they read, talk on the phone, or engage with others while receiving their daily dose of light.
The benefits for me personally of using the light is just an elevated mood. And again, because I use it first thing in the morning, which is when you're supposed to use it according to experts, it really helps set the tone for the day.
The Daylight is easy to set up and use. The height-adjustable legs are designed to allow the user to select the height they need and properly tilt the light box at about a 15-degree angle. This ensures that the user receives the correct dose of light from the position and angle recommended by experts for effective light therapy. The power switch has 2 settings, one on either side of the off position. 2 marks means the light will deliver 7,000 lux. Great for ambient or task lighting. 3 marks will give you the full bright dose of 10,000 lux of illumination for therapeutic use. It is important to use the Daylight at the correct time of day, usually for about 20 to 30 minutes. Most people use the Daylight in the morning, soon after waking up. But if you are a shift worker or need to be up at night, you will want to use the Daylight at whatever time marks the beginning of your day. Do not stare directly into the light. Instead, always look at an oblique angle, as you would with the sun itself. Finding the point at which your eyes will comfortably and naturally absorb this constant glow of 10,000 lux of light is very important. Your eyes should be about 12 inches or 30 centimeters away from the center of the light. Now sit as you would in the full sunlight. Feel free to read, do some writing, work on your computer, or talk on the phone.
Overall, I'd say the light is fantastic, and I'd highly recommend it to anyone. It doesn't have to be someone that has severe winter blues. It can be someone that just needs a little bit of lift in the wintertime.
20-30 minutes first thing in the morning, just that little burst of sun for me, it's great.
To learn more, call toll-free 1-800-387-0896 or visit our website at www.day-lights.com.